Voith DIWA. The Voith DIWA automotive transmission was designed by Voith primarily for city buses and suburban buses. The transmission utilizes a Differential-Wandler converter or DIWA, which replaces two gears which would be used on a conventional transmission. Voith has designed many variations and generations of the Voith DIWA. History evaluation. DIWA 851/854/854 G3/4 front speed, 4-speed G version, for example, Metrolina D854G, add a set of 1.36 reduction gear to the output 3-stage throttle sensor. There are two switches on inside. The throttle depth corresponding to each stage needs to be manually adjusted. The shifting speed is divided into 4 stages with the same force. 3-stage throttle plus kicked, and the hydraulic retarder will go out when the vehicle speed is too low, and it will turn a gear at the same time. All oil valves are on off, and the force of biting the clutch is controlled by adjusting the working/O of a gearbox. DIWA 2-854.2/854.2/863/864 turn 2 types of turbines, R0, run 2 types of rear gear planetary gears. Automatic neutral selection when parking. Individual oil valves can be operated between torque converter pressure and operating pressure, whichever is higher. DIWA 3-853.3/854.3/863.3/883.3/884.3 No G version rework gearbox computer uninterrupted throttle sensor at least 7-stage throttle plus kicked and /signal by trip computer newly added input speed sensor and back gear planetary gear ring speed sensor. The former is used to check the difference between input and output speed when rotating the gear, and the latter is used to check the back gear planetary gear when the retarder is locked for more precise control. The hydraulic retarder will go out when the vehicle speed is too low. After turning back for gear, gently bite the back gear and slow down. The oil circuit is controlled, especially the oil pressure of the torque converter is controlled. Most oil valves can independently sense and control the output oil pressure 80-100% of the operating pressure, and control the clutch force more accurately and timely. The operating pressure is always kept at 100%, so there is no need for a cumul. DIWA 3E-823.3E/864.3E/864.3E/883.3E/884.3E/D381.4 additional sensor at top. D381.4 is the 851.3E with a different planetary gear and input function configuration. DIWA 5-824.5/854.5/864.5/884.5 full liner 4-speed version 6 types of pump wheels L, F, G, V, X, H. DIWA 6-824.6/854.6/864.6/884.6 stop start system added. The operating pressure will be adjusted according to the situation. It is necessary to increase it first, which can reduce unnecessary load of the oil pump and save oil. DIWA 8-827.8/857.8/867.8/887.87 configurations instead of 4 and 6 gear ratios instead of 3/4 planetary gear sets and a mild hybrid generator/motor. Gear ratios: D1200, D500 6 wide ratio, 1:1 .970.953.80. D501, D500 6 close ratio, 1:1 .390.853.8. D854, D851 is 3 forward plus reverse with the same ratios. DIWA 4, 1:234.5.261.00.735 DIWA 5, DIWA 6, 1:234 5.200 1.429 1.00.704.120